They do it for sunscreen.
Yeah.
They do it.
Check out that bird. There's like something dead there.
Dead,
It's
yeah.
pulling. See, like little.
Intestines out of.
I don't know.
Oh, it's gross. Oh, they are carrion.
Hopefully, it's not like a trampled seal from the past.
No, that's too tiny.
They make funny noises.
You said you could see some sparring.
There's a big one jumping around.
Oh. Look, the males are. There's two males right here. Like, too close to my babies. It says you see they're really solitary when they're out in the ocean, but when they come together on the beach, they live in a society. Damn, there's so many. How many do you think are out here?
1,000.
Do you think?
Oh, this is several hundred. Probably. You can probably do a quick calculation.